Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your mass airflow sensor on an 03 Volvo V70 2.4 liter. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. It's located in the top of the air filter box, and the mounting screws are just two Phillips heads. So we'll take a Phillips screwdriver, push down, let's take that bolt out, and the other one. They're real small, make sure you set them aside. And then you're going to grab this sensor and twist it, pull up. It's mounted with an O-ring. Now we see the connector, push down on that tab, slide it out. If it gets stuck, you might need a flathead screwdriver. There we go. So here's the mass airflow sensor. Now I can see all the dirt located on that wire. I don't have one to replace it with, so I'm going to clean that with mass airflow cleaner. So I got a catch bucket here, and I'm going to clean my mass airflow sensor. This is what I'm using. You don't use brake clean, you don't use carb clean, throttle body, got to use mass airflow cleaner. It's a sensitive thing because of this wire in the circuit board that's in there, so you don't want to damage this. You want to clean the dirt off. That's what this is all about. That wire picks up the temperature and the wave form patterns. So up inside here, there is another wire. So I'm going to tilt it this way because I don't want the fluid to sit down inside the sensor. Sometimes just cleaning a mass airflow sensor will correct any running or idling condition. So we let that air dry. Do not take a blowgun to it. You don't want to damage that wire. And pressure from an air gun, you can bend the wire and then you're done. So now this is air dried for about 10 minutes. I'm ready to connect the connector again. I'm making sure there's no damage. There isn't. And the prongs are all straight. Connect it, line it up and snap it together. Now I can drop it down in the air box. Just wiggle it lightly back and forth so the O-ring sits. And I'll just get my mounting screws, the little small Phillips heads. Snug it down and make sure it's nice and airtight. It has to be tight. And remind yourself, or pay note when you start it after you clean your airflow meter, sometimes the idle might fluctuate. Just go for a car ride, drive it normal, let it preset itself, and you should be all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.